I hear 5 things you know to get your day started. Oxford County Commissioners officially asking Governor Mills to remove Sheriff Christopher Wainwright from his role. In a statement, commissioners say Wainwright's mistakes have cost the county time and money. Leaders are still working on the formal complaint. They say specific details about why they want Sheriff Wainwright removed will be released sometime next week.
A man found guilty of killing his girlfriend by running her over with his car has been sentenced to 48 years in prison. A jury found Raymond Lester guilty of murder in November. He was convicted of killing Nicole McComay in a hit and run in June of 2022. Prosecutors told us they are disappointed the sentence wasn't longer. Lester's attorney did not comment.
Dozens of advocacy groups are asking lawmakers to let Mainers vote on a proposed amendment to Maine's Constitution. The amendment would guarantee a right to reproductive autonomy. Lawmakers who support this bill say it would cover a right to abortion, vasectomies, birth control. It needs 2/3 vote in both the House and the Senate to pass. Groups like the ACLU of Maine, Maine Family Planning, Maine Medical Association, all asking lawmakers to let Mainers vote on this in the next general election.
The Maine Supreme Court is reversing a district court's decision that removed a mother of her parental rights. That mother appealed the case after the lower court ruled she was unfit to care for her child who has a serious medical condition. She argued administrators with MaineCare weren't providing her and her child the support they were entitled to. The Supreme Court has now sent the case back to the district court in Lewiston.
Some Mainers who lost their jobs or businesses due to the storm damage could be eligible for specific unemployment benefits. Disaster unemployment assistance available for anybody affected by the storm that happened in mid-December. This is for business owners, workers in Androscoggin, Kennebec, Oxford, Somerset, and Franklin counties. It is connected to a major disaster declaration that got approved by President Biden earlier this week. Applications open until the 4th of March. This would not apply to any people who were affected by these storms in January because they're still assessing all of that. And luckily, no major storms in our immediate future.
Yeah, and it's tough to keep them all straight.
Right, because there were so many in a row.
Because those were right before, that one was right before Christmas.
Yes.
And then the ones that really nailed the coastline, you know, those were right after.
2 and 5 days.
Those were
so.
in the beginning of the month of January. So.
Yeah.